In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your LinkedIn URL in just about 5 minutes. This nifty little customization not only makes your profile look more professional, but also makes it easier to share your LinkedIn profile with others. Whether it's for your business card, resume, or just to share on other social media platforms, a shorter LinkedIn URL is definitely more appealing and memorable. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you have the option to sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Keep in mind, LinkedIn values the security of its users, so don't be surprised if you're greeted with a CAPTCHA challenge to verify you're not a robot. After signing in, steer your attention to the top right corner of the page where your profile photo is located. Yes, that little circle with your smiling face, or perhaps just the default silhouette, is your gateway to the next step. Click on that profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the View Profile option. This action takes you to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all the wonderful details you've added over time about your professional journey. Now for the main event, on your profile page, direct your attention to the right-hand side, where the Edit Public Profile and URL link is located. It's right there by your public profile URL, which is the very thing we're here to shorten. Go ahead and click on that edit icon. This action redirects you to a page specifically for editing your public profile settings. Here you'll see another section labeled Edit Your Custom URL on the right side of the screen. Once again, look for the edit icon. It's a small pencil symbol. Clicking on this icon opens up the opportunity to customize your LinkedIn URL. The key here is to make your username shorter. A shorter username equals a shorter URL. It's that simple. However, keep in mind it needs to be unique, so you may need to try a couple of variations if your first choice is already taken by another user. After you've selected a new, shorter username and thereby shortened your LinkedIn URL, make sure to save your changes. Congratulations! You now have a more concise and professional looking LinkedIn profile URL that's easier to share and remember. A few parting tips. Choose a username that closely aligns with your professional identity or brand for consistency across your online presence. Also, remember to update any previously shared or printed materials with your new LinkedIn URL to maintain professionalism and ensure people can find you easily on LinkedIn. And that's it. You've successfully shortened your LinkedIn URL in just a few minutes. This small but impactful change can make sharing your profile simpler and help you maintain a sleek, professional online presence. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials like this one.